Hey everybody, it's Mitch with Tyson's. It's that time of year again. We're coming at you with our best denim deals of the year. It's our Denim Days event, August 8th through 19th. We've got every size, style, and color on sale for you and the family. We've got Ariat, Carhartt, Dickies, and more. Your hunting season starts here at Tyson's. We've got a full line of big game tree stands on sale for you, as well as all your hunting needs. Don't forget, we've got hunting and fishing licenses at the registers. At Tyson's, we are truly your canning headquarters. We've got everything you need to enjoy the fruits of your labor from your garden this year. I've got my canning jars 10% off, as well as spices and mixes 20% off, as well as a full line of accessories to finish off your canning project. With college football season just around the corner, Tyson's has everything you need for fall tailgating this year. We've got all of our collegiate apparel 20% off, as well as all other novelty items 10% off. And with that, every time you buy an Iowa City Wave t-shirt, Tyson's will donate $1 to the Iowa City Children's Hospital. All right, those are just some of the great deals we've got coming your way this week. Don't forget, at every Tyson's store, we have a huge pet selection. Everything from bird feed, cat food, to dog collars. We've got everything you need. Don't forget, like our Facebook page, join our More Club. I can't wait to see you in the store next time.